What if I told you that free AI tools can help you make $100 per day, even if you have zero experience? Welcome to JobCast Daily. If you want daily strategies to boost your online income, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. AI tools are changing the way people work online. Beginners are now using these platforms to automate tasks that used to require years of technical training. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step plan to create and deliver a digital service package that you can sell today. This strategy works because it closes the gap between having no design skills and providing high-value assets to a market of business owners who need consistent content. Step 1 is operating as an AI-powered digital creator. Instead of doing the manual writing yourself, you are going to direct the tools to do the work. Look at this comparison. Traditional digital work often takes 10 hours of manual typing and formatting for one deliverable. Using an AI-accelerated workflow, you can generate a month's worth of outputs in about 10 minutes. To get started, you need a way to generate all of this content without writing every word yourself. For this, we use ChatGPT. It serves as the primary engine for generating the raw data we need for our service. Use this exact prompt. Act as an expert marketer. Write 30 engaging tips for a local real estate agent's social media. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide 30 specific, professional tips that a real estate agent can use to engage their audience for an entire month. Raw text is only the first step. To turn this into a sellable product, we need to convert these words into visual content. Business owners pay for finished, ready-to-use graphics, not a text document. This is where we move into the design phase. We will use Canva, specifically a tool called Bulk Create, to handle the design work automatically. Copy your tips from ChatGPT. In Canva's Bulk Create app, enter data manually and paste into the table. Select a template, right-click the text box, and click Connect Data. Hit Generate, and Canva instantly multiplies your design into 30 ready-to-post graphics. This automation removes the manual labor from the design process, allowing you to fulfill orders fast enough to make a $100 goal achievable through volume. With your digital product ready, the next step is getting it in front of clients who are ready to buy. There are 3 steps to starting your pipeline. First, download your 30 graphics. Second, set up a profile on a freelance site like Fiverr or Upwork. Third, create a listing for this specific package at a $100 price point. Use a clear, searchable title for your listing, such as, "I will design 30 branded social media posts for your real estate business." You might wonder if there is actual demand for these types of automated services. These existing storefronts show sellers who are currently providing these exact social media packages. Many of them have hundreds of reviews and clear $100 pricing for a month's worth of content. The demand is already there. By using AI to fulfill these orders, you can meet that demand much faster than a traditional designer. To recap, use ChatGPT to generate the tips, Canva to automate the design, and freelance platforms to list and sell your work. You now have the full workflow required to create a professional digital asset from scratch. Subscribe to JobCast Daily to get a new AI strategy and online income idea every single day. Which of these AI tools are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Knowing how these tools work is the starting point. To actually see that $100 in your account, you have to list your first service and start reaching out to clients today.